Welcome to the ultimate solo travel guide showcasing breathtaking destinations across the globe. This video takes you on a visual journey through vibrant cities, serene landscapes, and iconic landmarks. Let's explore the world's best solo travel spots, perfect for city walks, cultural immersions, and Instagram-worthy moments. Grab your travel gear, and let's dive into a world of beauty, excitement, and inspiration. Kyoto, Japan. Walk through the tranquil Arashiyama bamboo grove and feel at peace. Visit the historic Fushimi Inari Shrine with its iconic red torii gates. Experience traditional tea ceremonies in the heart of Japanese culture. Explore the charming streets of Gion, known for its geisha culture. Enjoy solo dining in authentic ramen shops and sushi bars. Reykjavik, Iceland. Witness the mesmerizing northern lights from this magical city. Take a city walk to the striking Hallgrímskirkja Church. Relax in geothermal spas like the world-famous Blue Lagoon. Stroll along Laugavega Street for unique shops and cozy cafes. Discover the surrounding waterfalls and volcanic landscapes. Barcelona, Spain. Marvel at Gaudi's masterpiece, Sagrada Familia. Wander the narrow streets of the Gothic Quarter. Relax at Barceloneta Beach with Mediterranean vibes. Explore Park Güell for stunning views and unique architecture. Savor tapas and sangria at vibrant local bars. Bali, Indonesia. Meditate and practice yoga in Ubud's lush greenery. Enjoy solo adventures at the iconic Tegalalang rice terraces. Explore serene temples like Uluwatu and Tanah Lot. Relax on pristine beaches like Seminyak and Nusa Dua. Indulge in Balinese spa treatments and local cuisine. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Cruise through picturesque canals lined with historic houses. Visit the Van Gogh Museum for artistic inspiration. Take a peaceful walk in Vondel Park, a solo traveler's haven. Explore the Anne Frank House for a poignant experience. Enjoy coffee and stroopwafels in cozy cafes. Queenstown, New Zealand. Experience thrilling solo adventures like bungee jumping and skydiving. Walk around the serene Lake Wakatipu with stunning mountain views. Take a scenic gondola ride up Bob's Peak. Explore nearby vineyards for wine tasting. Join nature tours to discover Milford Sound and Fiordland National Park. Paris, France. Stroll along the Seine River and enjoy romantic views, even solo. Visit the iconic Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum. Indulge in croissants and coffee at charming Parisian cafes. Walk through Montmartre, home to artists and vibrant culture. Enjoy a sunset view from Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Bangkok, Thailand. Explore the vibrant streets of Khao San Road. Visit the Grand Palace and Wat Arun for cultural insights. Enjoy affordable solo street food tours at Chatuchak Market. Cruise the Chao Phraya River for city views. Relax with traditional Thai massages at local spas. Vancouver, Canada. Take a peaceful walk or bike ride around Stanley Park. Visit Granville Island for its markets and artisan vibes. Explore the Capilano Suspension Bridge in lush rainforests. Discover the vibrant Gastown district with its historic charm. Enjoy breathtaking views from Grouse Mountain. Rome, Italy. Marvel at ancient landmarks like the Colosseum and Roman Forum. Toss a coin in the iconic Trevi Fountain for good luck. Enjoy gelato while strolling through Piazza Navona. Explore the Vatican City, including St. Peter's Basilica. Savor authentic Italian pasta and pizza in cozy trattorias. Cape Town, South Africa. Hike up Table Mountain for panoramic views of the city. Explore the vibrant Bo-Kaap neighborhood with colorful houses. Visit Robben Island for historical and cultural experiences. Relax at Camps Bay Beach, surrounded by stunning landscapes. Take solo wine tours in the nearby Cape Winelands. Prague, Czech Republic. Wander through the historic Charles Bridge and Old Town Square. Visit Prague Castle for incredible views and architecture. Enjoy solo moments at peaceful parks like Petrin Hill. Discover hidden cafes and try traditional Czech pastries. Experience the city's magical charm during evening walks. Sydney, Australia. Walk along the Sydney Harbour Bridge for iconic city views. Visit the Sydney Opera House for culture and architecture. Relax at Bondi Beach with its vibrant surf culture. Explore Darling Harbour for dining and entertainment. Take a ferry to Manly for scenic coastal walks. Cusco, Peru. Explore the vibrant Plaza de Armas and its historic charm. Take a solo trek to the iconic Machu Picchu. Visit colorful local markets for Peruvian crafts and cuisine. Discover ancient Inca ruins around the Sacred Valley. Enjoy peaceful hikes through the Andes Mountains. Lisbon, Portugal. Walk through Alfama's narrow streets and historic charm. Visit Belém Tower and Jerónimo's Monastery for cultural wonders. Ride Tram 28 for a scenic city tour. Relax at Miradouros, Lisbon's iconic viewpoints. Enjoy pastel de nata at traditional bakeries. Istanbul, Turkey. Visit the magnificent Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque. Wander through the bustling Grand Bazaar and Spice Market. Take a peaceful Bosphorus cruise for stunning city views. Discover hidden cafes for Turkish tea and baklava. Explore solo-friendly neighborhoods like Galata. Hanoi, Vietnam. Walk around Hon Kiem Lake for serene moments. Explore the Old Quarter for unique street food and shops. Visit the historic Temple of Literature and Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Take a day trip to Ha Long Bay for breathtaking landscapes. Enjoy traditional Vietnamese coffee at local cafes. Dubai, UAE. Marvel at the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Walk through the futuristic Dubai Marina and JBR Walk. Explore traditional souks and modern malls for shopping. Visit the Palm Jumeirah for luxury and stunning views. Take a desert safari for thrilling solo adventures. Edinburgh, Scotland. Walk up Arthur's Seat for panoramic views of the city. Visit Edinburgh Castle for history and architecture. Wander through the charming Royal Mile and Grassmarket. Enjoy peaceful moments in Princes Street Gardens. Experience Scottish culture at local pubs and festivals. New York City, USA. Take a solo walk through Central Park's scenic paths. Marvel at the Statue of Liberty and Brooklyn Bridge. Explore iconic museums like MoMA and the Met. Wander through vibrant neighborhoods like Soho and Greenwich Village. Experience the city's nightlife and street performances. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Wander the colorful streets of La Boca neighborhood. Visit the Recoleta Cemetery, home to stunning architecture and famous graves. Experience a traditional tango show in San Telmo. Explore the lush Palermo parks for a peaceful escape. Enjoy Argentinian steak at a cozy Parilla. Admire the beauty of Teatro Cologne, one of the world's top opera houses. Kraków, Poland. Stroll through the charming Old Town and Market Square. Visit the historic Wawel Castle overlooking the Vistula River. Explore the Jewish quarter of Kazimierz, filled with cultural history. Take a day trip to the UNESCO-listed Wieliczka salt mine. Try traditional Polish pierogi at local eateries. Discover Krakow's vibrant art scene in underground galleries. Medellin, Colombia. Ride the Metrosubway for panoramic views of the city. Visit Comuna 13, a hub of street art and culture. Take a guided coffee tour in the lush Antioquia region. Explore the botanical gardens for a tranquil retreat. Stroll around Plaza Botero to see famous sculptures by Fernando Botero. Experience Medellin's exciting nightlife in El Poblado. Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Visit the historic Siu Chi tunnels for a glimpse into Vietnam's past. Explore the bustling Ben Thanh Market for souvenirs and street food. Admire the architecture of Notre Dame Cathedral and the post office. Take a motorbike tour to discover the city's hidden gems. Relax at Tao Dan Park, a serene escape in the city center. Enjoy a rooftop bar view of the vibrant skyline at night.